Hey everybody, we're back with another boxesofcards.net box break. This one is 2014 Topps Chrome MLS Soccer Retail Blaster Box. Cool thing about these, one Chrome autograph per box. You definitely don't get that in any of the other Topps Chrome retail products. 32 total cards, 4 cards per pack, 8 packs. And there's odds on the side of the box. We're getting some reflection there. I don't know if that's going to show up well or not, but got purple refractors, regular refractors, X-fractors, blue, orange, gold, red refractors. All pretty good odds. I mean, red is only 1 in 65. I don't know if these are numbered or not. You've got throwback minis, lots of different inserts. There's parallels to the autographs, of course, all the different colored refractors. Some longer odd autographs, including the throwbacks, and then there's dual autos. So pretty good odds for a retail product. Of course, you know, I don't think you can get super fractors out of this, though. That's probably only in hobby. But you know, you've got some good names in here. You know, if you watch World Cup, you'll definitely recognize Clint Dempsey, Michael Bradley. There's Landon Donovan on the side of the box. So definitely some guys you will recognize in here, as well as a lot of the young stars in the MLS. Even that flap on the inside is Chrome. I've never seen that from a Chrome product. And we've got our 8 packs in there. So let's see what we get. I have never opened a soccer product, so this is a first for me. And yeah, I don't see Superfractor on the wrapper odds either, so let's assume those are hobby only, which is usually the case anyway. So Kyle Beckerman, Bonique Garcia, Thierry Henry, and that is numbered, if that'll focus, it's numbered out of 75. 31 out of 75, Thierry Henry. Parallel. And Jermaine Defoe base. So, when's the last time you hit a refractor parallel out of retail numbered to 75? I mean, that shows you right away that this probably has a low production run, and you're going to get a lot of hits out of these boxes. So we got a Jose Goncalves. We've got a dual. Sean Johnson, Mike McGee. You've just received a 1-2 insert card. That's what those are called. They are teammates on Chicago Fire. There's a Landon Donovan. That is not numbered, but it is a refractor. So that's, yeah, not numbered. And then a Clarence Goodson. So I'm already digging these. We've got 2 refractors and 2 packs. Here's a little mini Columbus Crew, Federico Higuain. Not numbered. Cool little card, though. Clint Irwin. Nick Raimondo. And that Raimondo, that's a refractor. And it does say it right there. And Michael Parkhurst. Good name there for a old hobby product. And I did miss another refractor. Now that I see that Nick Raimondo, our Boniek Garcia was a refractor as well, a base refractor. So we've got 4 refractors already out of 3 packs. And still waiting on that guaranteed autograph. This is a different kind of design. Hector Moreno. Oh, this is a Team Mexico insert set. So I think we have the whole Mexico national team. And I didn't see that mentioned anywhere in the odds. But I remember reading about that. So here's a Andrew Farrell, numbered out of 99. $27 out of 99. And then another refractor, Marco Di Vaio, non-numbered. That's another purple and then the blue. And then a Connor Casey base. So many refractors. Sal Zizzo base. This, didn't we pull? Yeah. Federico Higuain. And this is a little bit of a different design too. It appears to be some sort of insert card, but it's not clear what kind. It's IF-FH. So that is an insert refractor. They might all be refractors. Amobi Akugo and Juninho. 3 packs left. There's Clint Dempsey, base card. I see an X-Fractor. Jermaine Defoe, Toronto FC. Non-numbered Chad Marshall. And a Lee Nguyen base. So man, these are piling up, these refractors. The purples are 1 and 2 packs, and we've got 3 of those now. So 2 base, lots of refractors here. The X-Fractor, Brad Evans, Brad Davis, that's a refractor, base refractor. Here's our auto, Diego Fagundes. New England Revolution, that is numbered out of 75, if that'll focus on it. There we go, 42 out of 75. It's nice to get a numbered auto, sticker auto, which I think they might all be. And the last base in that pack, Mike McGee. 1 pack left. Perry Kitchen, Donovan Ricketts, that's our last purple refractor. Here we've got a Team Mexico, numbered out of 75. There, finally focused, 40 out of 75. And a Nick Raimondo base. So man, that was eventful, huh? I mean, we've got how many numbered refractors here? The X-Fractors are not numbered. The purple, of course, are not numbered. So 4 purple, the X-Fractor, 3 base, orange auto, orange Henri, the blue Andrew Farrell. We've got the Mexico out of 75 and the 2 Higuan, the mini, and then whatever insert set this is. So we've got a stack here of refractors and autos, and you look at it next to just the regular base, it's about the same. This stuff is pretty loaded. For a retail product, I'm digging it. This blaster only cost me $9 from an online retailer. I don't remember whether they had cases or not, but you know, the resale on this, obviously we're not talking baseball, football levels for Chrome, obviously. But when you pull a Clint Dempsey or something like that, especially with the rate that you get the numbered cards in here, you can easily see how you could recoup your $9 from a blaster. So I'm a fan. I will absolutely be getting more of this product. This was a very fun break, loaded with lots of cool stuff. I love refractors. And, you know, soccer just only keeps growing in this country, and I think the resale value eventually will start to show that. So, cool break. That's it. 2014 Topps Chrome MLS Retail Blaster. Maybe we'll do a hobby box in the near future, but you can at least see how cool the retail blaster boxes are. So, until next time.